Alrighty, this is the where the garden will be. Um, Spent about an hour and a half or so torching this thing with the little propane burner there, and we've got it down to crispy shit. But still, I mean, some of these vines they're gonna have to be cut up anyways. But I'm hoping this will add some fertilizer to the soil when we turn this over with a rototiller. Um, it also helped to expose some of these stumpages that I'm going to be dealing with, because I probably don't want to hit that with a rototiller. So I'm just standing in my little nuclear wasteland here, and take me a break, get me something cold to drink, and rototill this shit. Later.